Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we draw the letter of A. A for apple. The next one is B. Now we draw the letter of B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we draw D. The letter of D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now we draw E. E for egg. The next one is F. Now we draw the letter of F. F for fish. The next one is G. G for goat. Now we draw H. H for hand. The next one is I. I for ice cream. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. Kids, now we draw L. L for lion. The next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. Now we draw P. P for parrot. The next one is Q. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rice. Now we draw the letter of S. S for snake. T for tiger. Now we draw U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for vanilla. Now we draw W. And the next one is X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.